Hello everybody, this is Nyla back with Skyway Classics, and today I am presenting to you a very beautiful Ford Fairlane. This is a 1957, probably one of my favorite cars that we have, just because it's so classic looking, so beautiful. Got the spare on the back, got the white and red candy cane paint, all the chrome finishings, and has been just kept in immaculate condition. The white walls to set it off. This car is absolutely beautiful, and it's got an engine under the hood, 390 cubic inch. It is automatic. Show you the inside here. Got the red and white to match. This whole car is a vibe. So pretty, so clean. I'm going to go ahead and get the engine started for you, and we'll take it for a spin. Okay, we got the Ford Fairlane up and running here. Beautiful engine bay. They've definitely done some work to it. Sounds super smooth. Got that 390 pumping. Come around to the back. Got some pipes, dual exhaust. Sounding good. Let's take it for a ride. Okay, here we are inside. Putting her in drive. This is a very chilly morning here in Sarasota, Florida. So for this car to start, no problem, no hesitation. That is a very, very good sign. I love this big old steering wheel. The steering and handling feel very controlled, as old as this car is. Oh, she sounds awesome. Got the little hula girl dancing for you. It's got all your mirrors, your blinkers work. Taking this corner. Do a little brake check here. I like to do my brake check with no hands. See if it pulls. She's good. Just an awesome, solid sounding, looking, sure to turn some heads. Beautiful 57 Fairlane. Alright, if you stay tuned, I'll show you the undercarriage. Thanks so much for tuning in.